Completed what? HTML hyperlinks, right? Yesterday we are completed what? HTML hyperlinks. What is the purpose of the HTML hyperlinks? HTML hyperlinks are used to jump one web page to another web page. You want to jump one web page to another web page, that is what? Hyperlinks. HTML hyperlinks are used to jump one web page to another web page. One web page నుంచి another web you want to jump one web page to another web page. One web page నుంచి వేరే web page కి ఏమవుతున్నామమ్మా జంప్ చేస్తున్నాం. That is what hyperlinks. That is what hyperlinks. Okay. Today we'll see amma what is meant by bookmark. So second one is what entama bookmark. So you want to create the hyperlinks, you want to create the bookmark, use the only one tag. So what is the tag name is what? Anchor tag. You want to create the hyperlinks, you want to create the bookmark, use the only one tag. Or the tag name is what? Anchor tag only. Okay. So what is meant by bookmark means what? What is meant by bookmark? So what is meant by bookmark means what? Within the web page. So within the web page. So within the web page, you want to go to particular location. So within the web page, what is meant by bookmark means what? Within the web page, you want to go to particular location, that is called as a bookmark. What is meant by bookmark means what? Within the web page, you want to jump a particular location. You want to jump a particular location. That is what a bookmark. That is what a bookmark. Okay. For example, say. So for example, let me open the one real-time application. You open the ClickBuzz website, right? You open the ClickBuzz website. So open the ClickBuzz website. See, here ranking is then ranking. Here enter I select for some player. Okay, na? So see, you want to read the Williamson enter profile information, right? You want to read the Williamson profile information. Actually, on the top of the page, they are given only 2 lines of profile information. On the top of the page, they are given only 2 lines of profile information. Complete profile information will be there bottom of the page. Complete profile information will be there bottom of the page. Okay. So you open the same. When I click on enter, it is a web page, right? When I click on link, corresponding web page is open. So when I click on link, corresponding web page is open. Corresponding web page is open. So that web page contains a lot of information is there. That web page contains a lot of information is there. Can you see the entire information at once? Can you see the entire information at once? No. You can see the only some information. You want to see the rest of information? You want to see the rest of information. Generally, you do what? Scrolling. Generally, scrolling. See, on the top of the page, they are given 2 lines of profile information only. They are given 2 lines of profile information. Complete profile information will be there bottom of the page. You want to go to bottom of the page. Generally, you people should do what? Scrolling. Generally, మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? Scroll చేస్తారు. No need to scrolling. See, generally scroll చేస్తాం మనం. So no need to scrolling amma. No need to scrolling because they are provide the link na. They are provide what? Link. See, right side one small link is there. So what is the link name is what? Full profile. Full profile. User click on full profile. They are jump to profile section. They are jump to which section? Profile section. That is what a bookmark. So within the web page, you want to go to particular location. That is what a bookmark. That is what a bookmark. So within the web page, you want to go to particular location. That is what a bookmark, right? That is what a bookmark. Okay. See how to create the bookmark. Let me open the separate file first. I create the file. So what is the file name is what? Bookmark.html. So bookmark.html. Bookmark.html. Okay. Add the some content. But see, you want to working with the bookmark, right? You want to working with bookmark. You want to working with the bookmark, you take the more content. You take the more content. You take the less content. You cannot understand that concept. You want to understand the concept of bookmark, you must take the more content. You must take the more content. You take the less content. You take the less content, you cannot understand. You cannot understand. Okay. So I have to take the more content. Okay. Same. I put the one big heading. How to create the first level heading on the web page? H1 tag, right? How to create the first level heading? H1 tag. Next one, paragraph open tag is there, paragraph closing tag is the lorem finded. Okay. So next one, lorem finded. I create the second level heading. Same one. What is HTML? What is HTML? What is HTML? I put the some information about lorem. So 400. Lorem 400. Next one, paragraph open tag is there, paragraph closing tag is there. Lorem 200. Next one, I want to create the one more. H2 open tag is there, H2 closing tag is there. So what is CSS? What is CSS? I add the some information about CSS. Lesson and some information. Okay na? Add the some information about CSS lesson. Okay na ma? Lorem enter just 100. Next one, let me create the one more paragraph. Lorem 1000. Lorem 1000, not more content is there 100. Okay na? Next one, I want to create the one more lesson. H2 open tag is there, H2 closing tag is there, just as a JavaScript. What is JavaScript? Add the some information about the JavaScript. Lorem enter just to find it. Okay. So a lot of information is there now. Add the one more enter heading. Lot of information is there. Okay na? I created one web page. In this web page enter lot of information is there. In this web page, a lot of information is there. Can you see the all information at once? Can you see the all? Can you see the all information at once? No. So you can see the only some information, right? You can see the only some information, right? You want to see the rest of information. You want to see the rest of information. Generally, you do what? Scrolling. Generally, you do what? Scrolling. It is a time waste. It is a time waste to see. Okay. For example, one user is there. One user is there. They want to read the only JavaScript information. One user is there, amma. They want to read the only JavaScript information. They want to enter read the only JavaScript information. They are do what? Scrolling. Scroll the web page. It is a time waste. It is a time waste. Okay, na? You do what? We are develop the user-friendly application. We are develop the user-friendly application. User-friendly application means what? See, user-friendly application means what? See, top side I put the links. Top side I put the links. So what is the link is what? Anchor open tag is there, anchor closing tag is there. First link name is what? HTML. First link name is what? HTML. Second link name is what? CSS. Second link name is what? CSS. Second link name is what? CSS. Third link name is what? JavaScript. Third link name is what? JavaScript. Okay na? What is meant by user-friendly applications means what? User-friendly means what? User-friendly means what? See. User click on HTML. User click on HTML. Directly they are jump to which location? HTML location. That is good. Okay na? User click on CSS. User click on CSS. They are jump to which location? CSS location. User click on JavaScript. They are jump to which location? JavaScript location. That is correct. Every time in terms of scrolling, it is a time waste. So user click on HTML. User click on HTML. They are jump to which location? HTML location. User click on CSS. They are jump to which location? CSS location. User click on JavaScript. They are jump to which location? JavaScript location. Within the web page, they want to jump to location number. Within the web page, they want to go to particular location. Okay na? So, see, first you do what? First you do what? User click on HTML. User click on HTML. They want to jump to which location? HTML location. They want to jump to which location? They want to jump to which location? That location. That location must be referred by ID. Must be referred by ID. User they want to jump to which location? That location must be referred by ID. ID వాళ్ళము కంపల్సరిగా ID వాళ్ళు ఓకేనా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ID? సేమ్ యూజర్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ HTML. దే వాంట్ టు జంప్ టు విచ్ లొకేషన్? దిస్ లొకేషన్. దే ఆర్ జంప్ టు విచ్ లొకేషన్? దిస్ లొకేషన్, రైట్? దిస్ లొకేషన్ referred by ID. Referred by ID. So what is the ID name is what? Example, anything. ID name is what? HTML. ID name is what? HTML. User click on CSS. User click on CSS. They want to jump to which location? CSS location. CSS location. That location also referred by ID. That location also referred by ID. So ID compulsory. Okay na? This location referred by ID. What the ID name is what? CSS. Next one is what? Scroll down. So this JavaScript location is there na? This location referred by ID. What the ID name is what? JS. What the ID name is what? JS. Now go to top of the page. Now go to top of the page. Very simple. Same. So user click where? User click where? HTML. They want to go to which location? HTML location. That location all are referred by ID na? HRF means what? User click on HTML. They want to navigate to which location? They want to navigate to which location? HTML location. That location referred by ID na? But the ID name is what? HTML. You have to write the ID name. I mean location name. Location name. That location referred by ID na? That location referred by ID. Same. Our technologies. IDs are representing which symbol? Hash symbol. Our technologies, IDs are representing which symbol? Hash. Hash is represent what? ID. Hash is represent what? ID. Next one. Classes are there. Classes are represent what? Dot. Classes are represent what? Dot. For example, see some of the cases ID name, class name both are same. ID name, class name both are same. For example, just I say class equal to HTML. Class equal to HTML. ID equal to HTML. You may use the class also, no problem. Class equal to HTML. ID equal to HTML. Okay na? Class equal to HTML. ID equal to HTML. User click on HTML. They want to go to which location? HTML location. Which location? HTML location. But here your browser getting confusion. Your browser getting confusion because one of the element having HTML is there. Another element having HTML is there. You define the class one of the element having HTML class is there. Another element having same name is there. What the name is what? HTML. This is what? Class. This is what? ID. Your browser getting what? Confusion. So you want to move to class, you want to move to ID na? You want to move to ID na? How you say enter move to ID? Using symbol. Using what? Symbol. What is the symbol is what? Hash. IDs are representing which symbol? Hash symbol. IDs are representing which symbol? Hash symbol. Okay. Next one. User click on CSS. User click on CSS. And they are jump to which location? CSS location. So user click on JavaScript, right? They are jump to which location? JavaScript location. Completed. Simple. For example, one user is there. One user is there. They want to read the only JavaScript information. They want to read the only JavaScript information. They are do what? They click where? JavaScript. Directly they are jump to which location? JavaScript location. Simple. So okay now, there is no time waste, right? Next one. So go to scroll up. Scroll up. One user is there. They want to read the only HTML information. They want to read the only HTML information. They click where? HTML. Click on HTML, directly go to HTML location. Next one, user click on CSS. Going to which location? CSS location. Okay, ma? See, user click on, but it's same. Open the real-time application. Open the real-time application, same. Open the real-time application, same. User click on it, see, user click on full profile. User click on full profile. We are going to bottom of the web page. We are going to bottom of the web page. When you go into bottom of the web page, your web page is what? Moving smoothly. Your web page is moving smoothly. Check it correct or not. Your web page is moving smoothly. See, smoothly moving, right? It moves what? Smoothly. But our application, there is no smoothness. Check it. There is no smoothness. Directly jumping. So directly go to that location. See, directly going. But you want to add the smoothness, right? You want to add the smoothness using what? CSS. Using what? CSS. Where you write the CSS code? HTML head part. HTML head part. Later I tell you, you don't worry. Just add the smoothness, right? Style open tag is the style. Closing tag is there. Scroll behavior. Scroll behavior. Just as a smooth. Just as a smooth. Now see, user click where come on? JavaScript. They are jumped to which location? JavaScript location. Smoothness is added. Next one. User click on CSS. They are jumped to which location? CSS location. Okay na? Next one. User again scroll top. Okay na? User click on HTML. They are going to which location? HTML location. Okay. Some of the students' doubt is what? Same one. Sir, same one. Okay. User click on HTML. They are going to which location? HTML location. They want to go to top of the page na? They want to go to top of the page. They want to go to top of the page. Again in terms of scrolling. Okay. User click where? CSS. User click where? CSS. Again they want to go to top of the page na? Again enter scrolling. Again enter scrolling. Every time enter go to bottom to top na. Okay, top to bottom okay ma. Top to bottom okay. How we go bottom to top? Try. Bottom నుంచి టాప్ కి వెళ్ళాలి ఏం చేస్తారు? I'm asking same. We are going top to bottom okay. Okay ma, without scrolling, I want to go to top of the page. ఏం చేస్తారు? So simple amma. In the HTML entama, in the HTML number of elements are there na? Number of elements are there na? Which one is the first top level element? Which one is the top level element? Which one is top level element? Which one is top level element amma? HTML kada? Go to enter top level element, you define the ID. Otherwise you can define the ID body also, no problem. Body lo body vachamma. Go to body, you define the ID. So what is the ID name is what amma? Top అని ఇచ్చాం కదా, ఏమి ఇచ్చాం ID? Top. So come to amma. See here put the link amma. Here put the link. How you put the link? Anchor open tag is there, anchor closing tag is there. User click on top. User click on top. User click on top. You want to go to top of the page na? You want to go to top of the page means what amma? Where you want to go? Body na? Where you want to go? Body na? Body element referred by ID na? What the ID is what? Top. What is the ID is what? Top. href hyper references just as a hash top. అర్థమైందమ్మా? హ్యాష్ టాప్ అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా, యూజర్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ టాప్. యూజర్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ టాప్. గోయింగ్ టు విచ్ లొకేషన్ అమ్మా? బాడీ లొకేషన్. ఏ లొకేషన్ కి వెళ్తాం? బాడీ లొకేషన్ కి వెళ్తాం. సింపుల్ కదా? ఓకేనా? దిస్ లింక్ ఏంటమ్మా? పుట్ ఏంటమ్మా? ఆల్ ప్లేసెస్. There ఏంటమ్మా? క్రికెట్ వెబ్సైట్ is there now. There did like this అమ్మా. For example, you go to bottom of the page. There, go to bottom of the page, amma. You go to top bottom of the page, you put the link. Emicham link. Link emichamu. Top అని ఇచ్చాం కదా, link emichamu. Top. Same user click where JavaScript. Go to enter JavaScript కి వెళ్ళింది కదా, down కి scroll చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చానమ్మా, click on top. Go to top of the page. So click on JavaScript. We are going to bottom of the page now. We are going to the bottom of the page. So click on top. Click on top. We are going to top of the page. So within the web page, you want to go to particular location. So that is what a bookmark. That is what a bookmark. So what is meant by bookmark means what? This link entama, put entama all places. Bottom to top, right? Bottom to top. Here also bottom to entama top. Where is the CSS? Here also. See, online students, any doubt is there? Same. User click on HTML. User click on HTML. That jump to which location? HTML location. User click on top. There jump to which location? Top location. Top and location. Top and ID. దేనికి ఇచ్చాము? బాడీకి ఇచ్చాము. ఆ బాడీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తుంది. కరెక్టే కదా? User click on CSS. So you click where? Top. User click on JavaScript. You click where? Top. Simple. No need to scrolling. Okay. So within the web page, you want to go to the particular location. User what entama bookmark. It is a very, very important most important concept. It is one of the most important concept, right? This is what a bookmark. This is what a bookmark means. What within the web page, you want to go to a particular location using which tag? Bookmark. Okay, clear? So online students, please tell me any doubt is there up to? So online students, any doubt is there? Please ask me. Otherwise, I want to go to just to next topic. Clear? So this is what bookmark and next one is what hyperlinks. Okay. So number of interview questions are coming from bookmark and hyperlinks. Clear? Clear? So next one is what? Next topic name is what? Summary and details. Summary and these are tags. Summary and details. What the tag name is what? Come on. Summary and details. Summary and details dot HTML. Summary and details. But the tag name is what? Summary and details. Both are combination. One of the tag is what? Parent. Another tag is what? Child. Okay. What is the purpose of the summary and details tag? Summary and details tag. First, let me open the one real-time application. Better understand you. So let me open the real-time application. Same one. Open the Netflix application. Open the Netflix application. Open the Netflix, right? So open the Netflix application. You go to bottom of the page, right? You go to bottom of the page. Here one title is there. What is the heading? Frequently asked questions. How many questions are there? How many questions are there? 6 questions are there. Where is the answer? How you can see the answer? How you can see the answer? Whenever click on question, then only see the answer. Am I correct? User click on question, then only see the answer. This is what a hiddenable content. This is what hiddenable. Emantan cheppandi? Hiddenable. What is the purpose of this details and summary tags? Details and summary tags are used to create the hiddenable content. Create what? Hiddenable content. Hiddenable means what? While load the web page. While load the web page, content is what? Hide. Content is what? Hidden. Content is what? Hidden. User click on button, then only display the information. User click on button, then only display the information. Then only display the information. You want to create the collapsible content. Collapse anna, hidden anna, both are same amma. Actually, it is a bootstrap. It is a bootstrap amma. So you want to create the hiddenable content using which tag? Summary and details. Summary and details. Summary and details tags are used to create what? Collapsible content. Summary and details tags are used to create what? Collapsible. Collapsible means what? Your point of view, hiddenable. You want to create a hiddenable content using what? Details and summary. Details and summary, or summary and details. Okay. Same. Same. How to create it? Same. Listen. So details open tag is there. Details enter closing tag is there. Details open tag is there. Details enter closing tag is there. It gives which output check it. It gives which output details tag. It gives which output on the web page. Check it. Which output is there on the web page? Which output is there? Just wait So page is not executed. So why page is not executed? Because symbols are there. Okay. Symbols are there. That is reason. Just as a summary. Okay. File name is what? Just as a summary. Okay. Na? I given file name in summary. Okay. Same. So details open tag is there. Details closing tag is there. It gives what entama? It gives which output on the web page. It gives which output details tag. It gives what entama? Collapsible entama button. It creates what? Collapsible button. It creates what entama? Collapsible button. Check it correct or not. It is a collapsible button. Small button is there number. It is a collapsible button. It is what? Collapsible button. Means what? You click on button, show the information. You click on button, hide the information. You click on button, display the information. You click on button, hide the information. Okay. Hide or show the information. Hide or show the information. Okay. Details and summary tags are used to hide or show the information. Hide or show the information. Okay. Details tag must see once again. Details open tag is there. Details closing tag is there. It creates a collapsible button on the web page. It creates what? Collapsible button on the web page. Tell me by default name is what? By default name is what? Once again, details. By default name is what? Details. You want to change the name, right? You want to change the name. You want to change the name, right? You want to change the name using which tag? Summary tag. Okay, na? Or the tag name is what? Summary tag. Summary tag uses it to put the title. Put the title. Put the title. By default title is what? Details are there. Na? By default title is what? Details are there. You can change it. You can change it. So what is the head? What is the title? Just example. I said what is HTML? What is HTML? Just I say what is HTML? Same title is there. Okay. So the details tag see once again. Details open tag is the details closing tag is there. It gives a collapsible button on the web page. It is a collapsible button. Collapsible button. It is a title. By default title is what? Details. You want to customize the title, right? You want to customize the title using which tag? Summary. Using which tag? Summary. Summary open tag is there. Summary closing tag is there. Write the name. Write the title name. So what is the title name is what? What is HTML? So what is HTML? What is enter HTML? Okay na? Where you keep the enter So user click on HTML. User click on HTML. They want to see the information about HTML, right? They want to see the information about it, HTML. Below summary tag, same hierarchy important. Below summary tag, you have to write the HTML information. You have to write the HTML information. Below summary tag, whatever the content is there. Below summary tag, whatever the content is there, that content is what? Hidden. That content is what? Hidden. Check it correct or not. Content is what? Hidden. Content is what? Hidden. Hidden. User click on button. User click on button. Then only see the summary. See. Okay, ma. User click on button. User click on button. Then only display the information. Then only display the information. Check it correct or not. Then only display the information. Some of the students doubt. Some of the students doubt is what? Sir, below summary only at the paragraphs. No. Only at the paragraphs. No. You can put the any content. Yes, you can put the any content or no. You can put what? Any content. You can put what images also. You can put what images also. You can put what into my tables also. You can put what into my order list also. You can put the any content. But some of the people are they are thinking about only paragraphs. No, you can put the any content. For example, I create the one more into my. So details open tag is the details, closing tag is there. So summary open tag is there, summary closing tag is there. Summary open tag is there, summary closing tag is there. I given like this. Image gallery. Image entama gallery. User click on image gallery, then only display the images, right? Then only display the images. Then only display the entama images, right? How you do write the image tag. img src equal to images slash. How to add the images on the web page? You know. Width equal to 20 pixels. Height equal 20 is very less, right? 100 pixels. So height equal to 100 pixels. Okay. So this is what first image. This is what second image. This is what third image. So first image. So second image. This is what third image. Next one is what fourth image. Okay. Added in the number of images. You can add the table also, no problem, Mama. You can add the table also, no problem. You can put the any content. You can put what any content. For example, I added a foot image. User click on image gallery, then only display the images. It is good, right? What is the purpose of the details and summary tags? They are save the web page in space, right? They are save the web page in space. సో వెబ్ పేజ్ యొక్క స్పేస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాయమ్మా సేవ్ చేస్తున్నాయి కదమ్మా ఓకే యూజర్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఏంటమ్మా బటన్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ డిస్ప్లే ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ యూజర్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ బటన్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ డిస్ప్లే ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఓకే సో లైక్ దిస్ ఏంటమ్మా క్రియేట్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఏంటమ్మా డీటెయిల్స్ see one more so details open tag is the details closing tag is there so what is the title is what entama what is css what is it css. Next one, I want to create the one more. Details open tag is the details, closing tag is there. Details open tag is the details, closing tag is there. I want to put the title. Summary open tag is the summary, closing tag is there. Summary open tag is the summary, closing tag is there. I put the link. Sorry, I put the heading. So what is the heading is what? JavaScript. I put the two paragraphs. Paragraph open tag is the paragraph, closing tag is there. Lorem 40. So paragraph open tag is the paragraph, closing tag is the lorem 40. See, my user click on button, then only display the information. Okay. So you want to create the collapsible hidden blue content using which tag? Details and the summary. Details and the summary tags are used to so create what collapsible content. You want to create the collapsible content on the web page using what details and the summary. Details and the summary. Clear? So these are details and the summary tags. These are important, most important one. Okay, na? Everywhere, for example, you open the Abibus. So you open the Abibus, you open the Abibus, right? You go to bottom of the page, you go to bottom of the page. You see how many questions are there? 4 questions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, by default, first question answer is coming. by default, first question answer is what entama coming. Okay na? You click on entama second question, see answer is there. You click on third question, answer is there. You click on fourth question, answer is there. See, there is what unordered list. Same above person, there is what entama unordered list. How you say each line starting? Each line starting. Bullets are there na? That is what unordered list. That is what unordered list. So here see, there is what entama unordered list only. So there is what entama everywhere entama unordered list only. Okay, here also unordered list. Okay, so this is what how to create the collapsible content. You want to create the collapsible content using what details and summary. Okay, you have doubt. Some of the students doubt is what, sir, while load the web page, I want to display the first question answer. First question answer. You want to display the first question answer, right? Okay, now you want to display the first question answer. You want to display the first question answer. Okay, now using attribute. Using what? Attribute. So what is the attribute name is what? Open. Attribute name is what? Entama open. So details means what? Hidden. Details means what? Entama hidden. Just you say open. Open means what? Open the content. See. Same. While load the application, content is hidden or open? Open. Hidden or open? Open. How you open the content using attribute? What the attribute name is what? Open. What the attribute name is what? Open. Means what? While load the application, content is what? Open. So what is the attribute name is what? Open equal to open or anything. Open equal to open or intama open. Both are same. Open equal intama open means what? While load the application, content is what? Open. So content is what entama open. So this is what entama details and summary tags. Clear? So clear amma. So next one. So next tag name is what? So next tag name is what? Frame set and legend tag. Frame set and legend tag. Legend tag. Okay. Let me open the one application first. First, I will show the real-time application. You know Notepad? You know Notepad, amma. So you know Notepad, right? Format font option is there na? Format font option is there na? Format font option is there, amma. You see that this design, amma. You see that this design. This design is coming from HTML only. Okay, ma. So it is a content, right? It is what? Content, right? This is content around border is there na? This content around border is there or not there? Border is there? That is what entama. Same. This content around border is there, ma. Border is there. Next one is what? Here small title is there na? What the title is what? Sample. What the title is what entama? Sample anundu kadamma. This is called as entama. What is the purpose of the entama? Details and sorry. So first let me keep the one paragraph first to see. What is the purpose of the entama? Frame set tag. It is also important. HTML frame set tag uses to HTML frame set. Or the tag name is what? Frame set. HTML frame set tag uses to apply the border selected element around. HTML frame set tag is used to apply the border selected element around border. Your selected element around entama border is applied. Border is applied. Who are applied amma? Frame set tag. HTML frame set tag uses to frame set or field set. Sorry amma, field set, right? Sorry amma, sorry. Frame set is what? Bold, right? HTML field set tag uses to HTML field set tag is used to apply the border selected element around. You want to apply the border selected element around using which tag? Field set tag. Using which tag? Field set tag. Field set HTML field set tag is used to apply the border selected element around. You want to apply the border selected element around using which tag? Field set tag. Same. Element around the border is there na? Element around border is there or not there? Border is there. You want to apply the border selected element around using which tag? Field set. What the tag name is what? Field set. Field and set. So field set tag is to apply the border selected element around. See, this is one field set. Field set open tag is there. Field set closing tag is there. I keep the one more paragraph. See, field set is there. You want to apply the border selected element around using which tag? Field set tag. So field set tag is to apply the border selected element around. Clear? Okay now. Next one. What is the purpose of the legend tag? Legend. What is the purpose of the legend tag? HTML legend tag uses to keep the title. Keep what? Title. You want to keep the title na? You want to keep the title. You want to keep the title using which tag? Legend tag. Using which tag? Legend tag. You must use the legend tag. You must use the legend tag inside field set. Inside entama field set. Okay na? Keep the title. Keep the title. For example, see amma, you created entama. You here how many paragraphs are there? Come on. 3 paragraphs are there. This paragraph belongs to what? You don't know. This paragraph is belongs to what? You don't know. This paragraph is belongs to you don't know. I mean, user don't know kada. See, you created 3 paragraphs, okay, ma. This paragraph is belongs to what? User they don't know. This paragraph is belongs to entama. This paragraph belongs to entama. User they don't know. This paragraph is belongs to entama. So belongs to entama. User they don't know. You have to put the title. You have to put the title. How to put the title using which tag? Legend tag. Using which tag? Legend. Legend open tag is there. Legend closing tag is there. I put the title. So what is the title is what? What is HTML? What is HTML? CMA. Legend tag, right? CMA title is there. See, this is title na. Krasunda kadama. Now tell me, this paragraph is belongs to what the title is what? What is HTML? It is a call as legend. ఈ టైటిల్ వస్తుంది కదమ్మా ఈ టైటిల్ ఏమంటారంటే లెజెండ్ అంటారు కాంబినేషన్ గా యూజ్ చేయాలమ్మా కాంబినేషన్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తేనే ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఏంటమ్మా డిజైన్ వస్తాయి ఇఫ్ యూ యూజ్ ద లెజెండ్ ట్యాగ్ ఏంటమ్మా అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ ఇఫ్ యూ యూజ్ ద లెజెండ్ ట్యాగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఏంటమ్మా ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ దిస్ డిజైన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమింగ్ ప్రాపర్ గా యూజ్ చేయాలి హైరార్కీ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ ట్యాగ్ లెజెండ్ ట్యాగ్ మస్ట్ బి యూజర్ వేరమ్మా ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఇచ్చేస్తేనే ఇలా వస్తుంది మీకు దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా లెజెండ్ ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిజైనింగ్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా నవ్ డేస్ ఓకేనా నెక్స్ట్ వన్ హియర్ ఆల్సో లెజెండ్ ఓపెన్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్ ద లెజెండ్ ఏంటమ్మా క్లోజింగ్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ జస్ట్ ఐ సే వాట్ ఈస్ సిఎస్ఎస్ వాట్ ఈస్ సిఎస్ఎస్ ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ legend open tag is the legend closing tag is the just as a javascript సేమ్ నీట్ గా ఉంది కదా ఇలా మనం ఏంటమ్మా హై లెవెల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ డెవలప్ చేసేటప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఈవెన్ జీమెయిల్ ఆల్సో మీరు జీమెయిల్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అమ్మా ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిజైనింగ్ వస్తుంది సో మీరు జీమెయిల్ కూడా ఏంటమ్మా క్లిక్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిజైనింగ్ వస్తుందమ్మా ఐ థింక్ ఏంటమ్మా మీరు లాగిన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఏంటమ్మా ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్ సేమ్ వస్తుందా దాని యూజర్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా దాని యూజర్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ అండ్ ఏంటమ్మా లెజెండ్ సో ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ ట్యాగ్ ఈజ్ యూజర్ టు అప్లై ద బార్డర్ ఏంటమ్మా సెలెక్టెడ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అరౌండ్ మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్న ఎలిమెంట్ కి అరౌండ్ బార్డర్ రావాలంటే ఏ ట్యాగ్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ యు వాంట్ కీప్ ద టైటిల్ యూజింగ్ విచ్ ట్యాగ్ లెజెండ్ ట్యాగ్ యూజింగ్ విచ్ ట్యాగ్ అమ్మా లెజెండ్ ట్యాగ్ ఇచ్చేస్తాం ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిజైనింగ్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా ఓకేనా So this is what field set and legend tags. Clear? Okay. So details and summary. It is a one combination. Field set and legend. It is a another combination. Okay. So next tag name is what amma. So up to there is no doubt, right? Okay. So I have classes there. Okay. సో ఇదివరకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారా? సో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. టుమారో యూ విల్ సీ. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటమ్మా థింగ్స్. ఓకేనా? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎనీ డౌట్ ఇస్తారమ్మా? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారమ్మా, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి.